Provide security and convenience for your home. Start with the Smart Wheel Video Door Phone Intercom HD Indoor Monitor for touch screen operation. When visitor visit you, one key to call, you can remotely see who is calling and open the door for him from the unlock button of indoor monitor. HD IP camera with night vision, wide angle, IP65 proof. 24-hour security monitoring, intelligent access control management. Smart doorbell, two-way video intercom, call, unlock, safe and convenient for your home. Complete accessories, beautiful packaging, welcome to order.